Hey guys, it's your boy Chris back with another banger. So what's up, you guys? Your boy Chris back with another banger. Today, guys, I'm gonna be doing a video. I'm showing you all. I'm showing you guys all my guns. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna find all my guns, my Nerf guns, and show you guys. Well, not all of them, cause I don't want the video to be too long. Cause it's probably gonna be like 5 minutes. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and when you do that, then thank you. We hit 37 subscribers. So yeah, thank you. We almost on our way to 40 subscribers. We're gonna get to 100 before the end of this year. So yeah, just make sure y'all subscribe and share this video with family members, friends, anybody. So yeah, I'm gonna find all my guns and I'm gonna get back to you guys. I don't think I'm going to church because I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip on gang. What's up, you guys? It's your boy Chris back. Well, I already did the intro, but what's up, you guys? It's your boy Chris back with another banger. Today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys. Today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you my Nerf guns. Today, I'm staying home from church because I'm gonna watch the Super Bowl. Let's get it. We're gonna watch the Super Bowl, guys, at 6:30. So yeah, stay tuned. I might be having that video. Probably, I might just watch it like for a little couple seconds. Then I'm gonna turn it off. But yeah, Derek, you think you got more guns than me? Never, boy. Hold up. But yeah, Derek, you do not got more guns than me. And look, I got the fresh cut. Ooh, taper the sides and the back. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna do this little video. Alright, so look. And I hope y'all like that music in the background. I'm gonna go get some, hold up guys. I'm gonna go get some bullets. I'll be right back. And get it right back. Alright, look. So I got a couple bullets. So yeah, let's get straight to them. So look, this is one of my guns. That's what it says. Y'all can read it. And all you do is just pull, shoot, pull, shoot, pull, shoot. I'm about to try a bullet. These bullets right here got like little plastic pieces in them, so they gonna hurt if you get shot with them. Y'all see it? They got like little plastic piece in them, and they hurt when you shoot them at people. Let me show you guys. But yeah, and this is where you hold other bullets, but it don't do nothing. It just hold bullets. So yeah, here go one of them guns. This right here, hold on. This right here is a bad boy. Let me see where it says it at. It says it right here if y'all can't see it. Right here. This right here is a bad boy. All you gotta do, y'all heard that, look. All you do is this, pull that. Let me show you guys. This mug, this gun came with these bullets. These is the metal ones, cause I got it from Walgreens. It was 50% off, so it was $10, and I got it for $5. So yeah. So look, we gotta get back. This one hurt. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute all the bullets doing it. Hold up. See? And it gets you good aim. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. See? And I don't even have to do, all I've got to do is just pull the trigger back and then reload on the bullets. And there's more bullets to this. That's just some. But I love this gun. And Derek, you do not got this gun. This gun is a lot of money too. And it's worth it. It's worth it. And I got this other gun I got from I don't even know, but I don't know, cause I got this big giant gun I got for Christmas. So yeah. Derek, you said you got this gun. Oh, I'm gonna do a video showing you guys that I still got the hoverboard. Sorry guys, that's an ad back there. I'm playing a little beat talk on me thing, so I'm just be quiet. And this piece right here. Aims help you aim. So look, you just look like this. Bow. Got it. Let me show you guys. And this is how you do it. You gotta take this side. Look, you're gonna take this side. See my hands? Put up. Push it out. And look. That's how you can do that too. And Derek, you said you had this gun? I don't even know who, my auntie got this for me. Well, not my auntie, but, well, it's not my auntie, but somebody got it. And this one, it's a bad boy too, but I had this for a long time. So yeah, if you want to have a Nerf war, I'm definitely going to win like this. Let me change the camera. Alright, there we go. Yeah, so I love this gun. Stop playing with me. I went in a Nerf gun. Oh, I feel like what? And this is the last gun because I don't want this video to be too long. This is also a Nerf gun. It says right here. Hold on, I'm going to get changed for some. Alright, let's go. So look, this is a Nerf gun too. It says Nerf. I don't know what type it is. It says it right there. And when you got a Nerf gun, it should always say the name. That's a sticker. You just. This is all you gotta do is this. I'm gonna do it with a bullet in there. You see how it is? Look, watch this piece. Alright. Stop playing with me. All times I'm strapped up right now. This is just like the other gun, but it's just like this one, but this one got 4 and this one got 2 right here. So look at the difference. This one got 4, but this one is pressure. I love this one, but this one is at 2. I'm gonna show you guys. This one do the same thing. This one go first and this one will go second, like this. See? And if y'all didn't see it, so yeah. Yeah, Derek, you do not got more guns than me. And these guns that I have good aim. Good aim. Derek, that one gun you got, I can get that gun. Oh, Tuesday I might be getting a drone. Cause everybody at my school got one, so I might be getting a drone from Walmart. So yeah. It's gonna be a tiny one though. It ain't gonna be like a big one that got a camera on it. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm gonna upload this video, and I got a haircut looking all good, and it's about to watch the Super Bowl at 6:30. So yeah, check out my channel and check out these beats. I got them off of YouTube. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. On game.